Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about how we can write diary entry. So, let's start our lesson. A diary entry is a short composition. It is a record of writer's feelings, thoughts, or activities during the course of a particular day. A diary is introspective in nature rather than just detailing an event or an activity. It presents the thoughts and reactions of the writer to such events or activities. A diary usually has a very personal feel to it. It can be used to express various sentiments, the joy, sadness, anger, excitement, etc. To express one's thoughts, views, or philosophy. To help one to cope with certain situations or emotions. A diary is often very private. Format of diary entry. A diary entry is written in informal to language, but it still follows a certain format. A diary entry is written in the first person. A diary entry usually begins with a date and place which appear in the top left corner. A diary entry must follow a logical and coherent order. The ideas must be expressed in well thought out paragraphs. The descriptions are usually brief and vivid. The introductory paragraph or sentence may be a comment on the day or one's state of mind. The main body of the diary entry is an expansion of the introduction. It details events of the day and the writer's reaction to them. The diary entry ends with a final remark about the day or one's feelings. Diary entries can be concluded by signing the person's first name. Now that we have looked at the format of a diary entry, let us read a sample of diary entry. Sample of diary entry. Question. Meera wrote this diary entry on the opening day of a new academic year. Here place is Delhi, day and date mentioned and time also mentioned. The first day of a new session is always exciting. Friends meet after a long summer vacation. There are many things to tell each other. Then there is a shuffling of students and sending them to different sections, something that is always dreaded by the students. For the past 1 week, I have been looking forward to this day, but what an anticlimax it turned out to be. We all wanted to be in the same section again. Salu even prayed hard for it. When Mrs. Mitra, the class teacher of 6A, started reading the list during the assembly, I was all ears. My name was soon called out. I was in her class. What about Gayatri, Salu, and Devlina? Their names were read out much later by another class teacher. So I was the one who had been left out. Dejected, I walked with the other students to the new class. I looked around. Thank God, the students seemed friendly. I spotted 2 or 3 sad souls like me and understood what had happened to them. But I soon forgot my disappointment. I made new friends and I introduced them to my old ones during recess. So the day was not bad. After all, Meera. A diary entry is about 200 words in length. The descriptions are vivid but brief. They are expressed in a coherent and logical way. A diary entry is essentially a subjective piece of composition written in an informal style. A diary entry must begin with the day and date. The ideas expressed in the diary must be written in well thought out paragraphs. You may conclude by signing your first name. The diary must carry the date. The time could also be mentioned. A diary is the record of one's personal feelings. Since it is meant for one's personal use, it is written in an informal style. Sentences need not be complete. Honesty in expressing one's feelings and reactions is absolutely necessary for a good diary. That's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss about our next chapter, our next topic. Thank you.